Research market trends, competition, and target audience preferences to identify a niche that offers good earning potential. Create and sell digital products. Develop and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, templates, or software. Digital products have low production costs and can be easily distributed to a global audience, providing excellent opportunities for passive income. Start an online consulting or freelancing business. Leverage your expertise to offer online consulting services or freelance work in your field. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr connect professionals with clients seeking specific skills. Monetize your blog or website. Build a blog or website focused on a specific niche and create valuable content that attracts a loyal audience. Monetize your website through advertising networks like Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or by selling ad space directly to businesses. Become an influencer or content creator. Build a following on social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok by creating engaging and niche-specific content. Collaborate with brands for sponsored posts, promote affiliate products, or offer paid promotions to monetize your influence. Remember, success in making money online requires consistent effort, dedication, and adapting to the changing digital landscape. Choose strategies that align with your strengths and interests, and always prioritize providing value to your audience or customers.